Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warohmatullahi wabarokaatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you're doing well. Well, in this video, inshallah, I will make a tutorial about how to set up Tailwind CSS on your Visual Studio Code. Well, what is Tailwind CSS? Tailwind CSS is a framework for CSS or cascading style sheet. It's like just Bootstrap or etc. Well, you can use templates or many other things with Tailwind CSS. Well, the first step we need to do is we need to install Node.js. Well, let's just go to the Node.js official website. After you're in to the website, you can go to the download section right here. Just go to the download section and you can wait till the web page is loaded. So basically you can download uh, there are three versions of Node.js that available. The first one is for Windows and the second one is for Mac OS if you use MacBook or other Apple device, and you can also install for Linux version. Well, after you install the Node.js and you open the package in your file browser, you can go to the Tailwind Tailwind CSS official website. Well, here it is, the display. So there are a code right here that you need to copy to the terminal and paste it to the terminal in Visual Studio Code. Well, let's open the Visual Studio Code. Here it is. And the first thing you need to do is you need to install several extension. The first is Tailwind. The internet is kind of slow, sorry. So there is some extension. It's called Tailwind CSS Intelligence and Live Preview, and also Post CSS language support. You need to download those extensions so that you can be easier to write the code. So let's just open the folder and make a new folder. For example, learn Tailwind. As simple as that. Click open. Just wait until the display is like this, and then you can make a new file called index.html. Sorry, just enter, and then you can write this mark, and then just press enter. It will be like this. So you can write something inside the body section, but first let's just change the title. It's optional, like this. Well, you can write, for example, a heading with the code H1, and inside these tags you can write hello. For example, hello world, like so. And after that you can double click or right click and click this show preview. So if you doesn't use the Tailwind CSS, the display will be like this. It's default. The font is just basic font like this. And then next we want to install the Tailwind. You can go up here and then click terminal, click new terminal, and it's better to use the git bash terminal. Just press this and click this bash. It's git bash terminal. So right here you can copy the code from the Tailwind website. First, copy this code like so. Just wait till the process is done because this is installing the Tailwind package. Okay, it's still loading. So after it is done, there are two files that will be added to the folder. One is package lock.json and the second one is package.json. So the next step is you need to copy this code and write it down, paste it on the terminal like so, and wait till the progress is done. So the next thing will be added to your folder is this file, tailwind.config.js. So this file is the configuration of the Tailwind. And next step is you make the new folder. Oh yeah, there's also one folder that added after you run this code. It is the node modules. Inside there is many files and many folders that uh, used to configure the Tailwind. So next we make the new folder here uh, called CSRC, sorry, source. After that, inside the source folder, you can add new file called input.css like so. Just don't write anything and let's go back to the website. After you make this input.css file, you need to copy these things, these 3 lines text, and paste it right here. Sorry. Um, Copy and then paste it right here. Well, it's done. And then the next thing is we need to copy this code and paste it on the terminal like this and wait till the progress is done. After it is done, there will be a file that will be added into the src folder. It's output css. Here it is. So inside the output css is where the configuration of Tailwind css is working right here. And there are many code that you can read so you know how to use the Tailwind css. Okay, so to see if the Tailwind css is already installed or not, you can open the show preview once again and wait. So if the text is not changed, so it's mean the Tailwind css it's not working yet. So the last step we need to do is click a right link. You can select this one, link double dot css, and then you can change this into src. Sorry, can change this into src and then output.css like so. So after you write this thing, the Tailwind css should be working. Let's check it. Let's wait. So if the text already changed like this, it means that the Tailwind CSS is working. If if the Tailwind CSS is not working, it will be like this. See? So, well, the question is how to custom the text, because with the normal CSS or the vanilla CSS, you make another folder of CSS, right? Another file of CSS, and then you write all the code right there to change the display of the text. But with Tailwind, you can add the class attribute inside the tag, the opening tag, like this, and then write the code. The code is the code to change is here. For example, to make the text bigger, you can write text to XL. Refresh. Um, wait. Well, I don't know why it doesn't change, but it should be like that. It should be change if you click the if you write class and then text 3XL, it will be changed into a bigger text. So here it is. The Tailwind CSS is already installed, and you can just learn how to code with Tailwind CSS. You can find many tutorial in YouTube or many other website. Well, maybe that's all of the tutorial I can give to you guys. I'm sorry if there are many mistakes. Last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.